All of you are here today. I hope you cover the entire proceedings. Not the truncated version, but the whole thing. It's very important that you cover everything. I want you to understand that because IPOB was founded on a non-violent principle, and we maintain that up until this very day. And everything, of course, and some of these soldiers, we are told, are also our people. Is that correct? Yes. And the family is now in mourning.
Yes.
So all the making of young widows is condemned in its entirety. I don't want it. I don't want anybody to die.
Yes.
We are fighting for freedom. Then how can we fight for that at the same time? It's not possible. We want people to be free. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more. We've suffered a lot in Africa. I don't know if you know that. Africans have suffered from slavery in Arabia to slavery in Europe to slavery in America. So I think we should focus our time and devote it towards making sure that this continent stands up to what God promised it is going to be. And that's why we're doing what we are doing.
Thank you.